Hello and welcome. Today I'm going to show you how to move an image in Krita. Make sure your image is on its own layer. To move the image or the layer content, activate the Move tool from the toolbar. It looks like 4 arrows in a cross shape, or simply press T on your keyboard. With the Move tool active, click and drag anywhere on your canvas and you'll see your image move. By default, Krita moves the current layer you have selected in the layer stalker. If you want Krita to auto-select and move a layer based on where you click, open the Tool Options docker and set it to Move Layer with Content. Then clicking a visible part of the image automatically selects and moves that layer. For precise movement, you can use arrow keys to nudge the layer or selection after grabbing it with the Move tool. Some setups allow Shift plus arrow keys to move larger steps. And that's how you move an image in Krita. Thanks for watching.